Coach, what is your impression about the Bengali boys? This is the first year in Calcutta. You handled the boys for last 2 weeks or 18, around 3 weeks. What is your impression? What is your impression about the Bengali boys?
I've worked with Bengali players before in general throughout my time, but I feel like these boys are talented. There are a lot of players that were hungry to improve, and they are a good bunch of players. And even right now, as we see, the intention to improve is there. The intention to try out the ideas is there. Execution is something that will take time, but the players over here are enthusiastic about learning, about getting better, and helping the team going forward.
At one time, we saw you filled 9 Bengali players.
We started the game with 9 players over here today.
What about the Gante, the scorer?
The intention was to bring him on, and because in the box we needed more presence, so that is why we made the change and brought him on. Because even though he's a very young player, 2006 born, he's still 19. He has a presence inside the box and he has the ability to finish. So last few minutes it was about how do we increase more pressure on the opponents,
yes,
and from that create an opportunity to score.
You also filled the Benjamin also. His shot was saved in the last moment. Brilliant shot and brilliant save also. What about the overall match?
I felt Wari did well. I think they were defending very well, and they had a very clear idea about how they wanted to play, and they created danger in transition to attack of theirs, where they had 2 people on our centre backs, so they had a very clear game plan. Our intention was to ensure that we block that plan of theirs and don't let them create dangerous situations from it. But they came with a clear strategy, and I'm glad that at the end we were able to get the 3 points against them.
What about the Kibu Vikuna? How he guided you?
He's always there with the team, and the intention is that the way we see it is there's not 2 teams over here, there's one Diamond Harbour FC. So we work together with the I-League team, with this team. The inputs, the ideas, everything is being discussed, and we come up with a plan together for both the squads that we have.
Dipankar, what about your background? Just in a short, your background, your playing background, coaching background. Last year we know, but
I've been in coaching. I used to be a lawyer first. In 2013 I left. I finished my law school, worked for a year, and then I became a football coach. So since 2013, 2014 onwards, I've been in coaching. Started off with grassroots football, and in 2018 I moved to Spain to do a high performance course. Then I worked in Mexico for a year before COVID hit, and I had to come back. And since then I've been with Reliance, I've been with Corbett FC in I-League 2 before. I was in the Bangalore Super Division for 2 seasons, and then Chandmari FC was obviously an experience.
From Chandmari we know you.
So I've been in coaching for 11 years now, and trying to build my experience, I would say, of working from grassroots to slowly increasing and moving to elite players in Reliance, and then now in senior football for the last.
What is your age? No,
I'm 34.
So very young coach. I think one of the youngest coach in Calcutta League. Okay.
Thank you.
But you have 2 foreign degree. So, 2 foreign degree for coaching.
Yes. Intention is that.
Intention.
Yes, to be the best version of myself, and at the end of it, it's about growing and getting as much experience and exposure to be the best coach possible.
Your hometown?
I am from Delhi.
In which area?
Gurgaon actually. Yeah, but my father in the Navy, so I lived all across the country throughout my life.
Your father in the Navy?
He was in the Navy.
Yes. The good background you come, that is why
it helps.
You think something different.
It helps because in the Navy you meet people from all across the country. So when you talk about a Bengali, I've already experienced that with somewhere else, and same with you understand different cultures. And football is more about humans and how you understand them and how you get the best out of them. That's 75% of the game. So it helps. The background helps in that.
Any Bengali word?
Bengali word.
Say something in Bengali.
Let me just give it a thought. I'm blanking out right now. My father knows a few words, and he always greets me. He says, "How are you" in Bengali. What is the word for it? Kebonacho. Yes, Kebonachin. So he always. Diamond Harbour is also Bengali, but yeah. Thank you.